my channel, or if you're new, my name's Carly and I post videos every week on beauty, fashion, lifestyle, home decor, all kinds of things. And for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my fall decor for my mantle. So if you're interested and you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys all of the decor that I have to decorate the mantle with. That way I can speed it up and you don't have to sit here and listen to me ramble the whole time. So I have this garland, and this is actually an old garland that I have from some of my past decor, but honestly you can get a simple garland like this at any time of the year from your local Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Joann's Fabrics, any kind of craft store like that. And then if you guys have seen my other fall decor video, you already know that my home decor is basically just like overload of pumpkins, so I'm gonna just keep that theme going for the mantle. So I've actually already owned all of these pumpkins from past years of decorating, but you're in luck because I've been to Michael's recently and I saw that they still have them all in stock this year as well. So I basically have just this one big pumpkin, a couple of these medium-sized pumpkins, and then I have about 6 or 7 of these smaller sized pumpkins, and I tried to get ones that were like different shaped gourds. And a little trick as well, like I found these in the pick section, so they already have a pick on it. But if you have styrofoam pumpkins, or if you can't find ones that you like that don't already have a pick on it, and a lot of times they're a little bit more expensive as well, all you have to do is go out and get these wooden shish kebab sticks, and you can stick them right in the bottom of these pumpkins. It makes it so much easier when you're decorating, because then you can actually maneuver them the way that you want them. You don't have to worry about them like falling over or falling off, because it's secure on the stick into the mantle decor.
So I decided that I just really wanted to keep this mantle decor just super simple and really easy. So basically I'm just putting the runner down and I'm fluffing out the leaves and the branches just to make it look more full. And then as I'm adding the pumpkins, you just want to kind of like, you know, just go with it. Like play with them until you find the way that you like them set up. Don't be afraid to lay them down or play with the angles of the way that they're sitting like on the garland either, because honestly you just want this to look as like effortless and natural as possible. Another thing that helps with that is when you're arranging the pumpkins is to make sure that the stems of them are not all pointing in the same direction. And don't get discouraged if it doesn't look exactly the way that you want it to right at first. Sometimes it takes some time, and sometimes you just have to step back, take another look at it, and jump back in there until you get it the way that you want it to look.
Okay you guys, so this mantle is a faux mantle, so it doesn't actually have a real fireplace in here. So when we built it, I just put a mirror back here. You could do all kinds of different things. You could do like faux brick wall or whatever, but you don't even have to do anything if you didn't want to. I just felt like it needed a little something extra when we did it. So I just have like a regular just mirror back here. I have all these glass cylinders with candles in them, so I'm going to strategically place them in here. That way you still get the ambiance and the feel as if you were to have a real fire.
Again, same idea with these glass cylinders. This actually took me the longest. For some reason, I rearranged them like 20 different times before I could figure out the way that I liked them. But it's also because I had different heights and all of that jazz. So you just want to play around with it again until you figure out the way that you like it set up. So here is the final product. I went ahead and I turned off all the lights and I lit all of the candles. That way you guys could see exactly what it looks like in the evening time when all the candles are lit. And I'm super happy with it. It was exactly what I wanted, and I think it turned out perfect.
So I went on Pinterest and I was just kind of scrolling for like fun festive drinks, and I came across a Apple-Cider Margarita. Now I didn't actually look at any of the recipes. I figured it was like pretty simple to figure out on your own. So I just kind of went to the store, picked out some ingredients, and now I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and we're gonna go ahead and try it and figure this out together.
Okay, so I'm basically just winging this again, like I said. So I got this maple syrup. Whoa, 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 whoa. Here we go. I got this maple syrup because I thought it would be yummy to like line the rim of the glass with this. I'd normally use like a lime or something, but sometimes I don't feel like it's like thick enough. And then I have this cinnamon sugar
blend. I normally used to use this like during the fall season, like last year. This is leftover from last year, that's why I'm saying this. With like pumpkin beer. Oh my gosh, you guys, you put that in a glass and put this around the rim. It is so yummy. So that's where I kind of got that inspiration from. So I'm gonna go ahead and line the rim with this. It already looks so good. Now I'm going to add my tequila. I can normally wing it, but if you can't, grab just, you know, a normal shot glass that most people have. I'm gonna this actually looks kind of large. This looks like it might be a double shot here. I feel like I can add a little bit more. Now, I mean, I'm just gonna do half margarita mix and half apple cider. You guys, I don't even think I've ever had apple cider in my entire life, unless I was like really little and don't remember it or something. No clue, but I can't ever remember drinking this, so I honestly don't even know what the heck this is gonna taste like. Okay, cutting my lime. No, I'm not using a cutting board. Squeeze it. So let's try this out and see if we like it. You guys, this is actually really yummy. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more tequila in here. The only reason why I'm adding a little bit more tequila is because I feel like it is kind of like sweet, and I'm not like a super sweets person. I'm gonna do a little dash of water too. I'm not someone who like loves sweet drinks. Like I definitely love the maple syrup and like the cinnamon and sugar on the rim. Like I like that. But this is like something that's yummy. But for me, I could probably only have like one of them and then I would be satisfied because of the sweetness. But I'm impressed. This is good. So you guys should definitely try this recipe out, especially if you're looking for like a fun cocktail, like I said, for a holiday party or just like a family dinner night, or if you're having guests over and you're gonna do like a dinner party, this would be like a perfect holiday cocktail. If any of you guys do end up making this and you like it, let me know below, because I would really like to know how many of you guys are like enjoying when I show you cocktails and new drink recipes. Okay, you guys, so that's everything. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you back. Be sure to hit the notification bell down below, that way you never miss another video from me. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.